Hi guys, this is Sopit from sopittodhunter.com live from the UK, alright? Let me invite some friends. And today, we're gonna talk about 5 ways how to squeeze cash out of email like a toothpaste, alright? Let me invite some friends, alright? I don't know, some friend in Thailand probably sleep by now. Yeah. Okay. And I will talk to you in few minutes, alright? Just invite some friend. And hope this topic will be benefit lots of people. Yep. Who might see the benefit of it, alright? Right. Okay, hey, right, okay, that's it. Hi, Moses. Oh, thank you for being here. Jenny Wade, thank you. Mayuri Ekta Sang. Okay, tonight we're going to talk about 5 ways to squeeze cash out of the email like a toothpaste. How hard is that? Anybody can do it. If Sopit can do it, anybody can do it, okay? English is not my first language, okay? And the weather today is wonderful. It's hot outside. I have to open the window, all window in the house, okay? But when the air come in, it's so cool, and I love it, okay? I love the weather in UK, okay? In Thailand, it's too hot. Here is wonderful and no mosquito. Or maybe few mosquito. I can't say that no mosquito. All right, guys. People who don't know me, put number 1, okay? Because you first time here. If you know me, just put number 2 and where you watch it from. I know Moses is from California, Sacramento, my friend. I don't know about Mayuri, and I don't know where Jenny Wade watch it from, okay? If you are, be so kind, all right? Just put where you're from, at least I will remember it. Okay, Noma here, Noma Abdul Kader, okay? Yes, Cali, Mozart from California. Okay, guys, Mozart probably know this topic very well, but I will tell you the way I interpret it, okay? It might be a little bit different. Okay, hello. Today gonna be very useful if you can apply these, okay? People who watch until the end and opt in, okay? In the link below that I put it in the comment, all right? You register there, and I will send 3 videos about this, how to squeeze the money out of the email like a toothpaste, okay? I will send three videos for you, okay? Each one or each day, because you can't send it to big file in the email, okay? Just 1 video at a time. Wow, and you know how to make money out of it. And it's fun, believe me. All right, they have 5 ways to squeeze, okay? You might want to touch it, rub it, massage it before easy squeeze out, all right? I'm talking about squeeze toothpaste, okay? Right, they have 5, okay? I just do it quick, okay? And then I will go into detail each one. 1 is great suggestion. Number 2 is crucial connection. And number 3, the problem. Number 4, bigger key to the problem. Okay. Number 5, grand offer. Okay. In the video, I will show you, share screen with you. It's not just chit chat. All right. This one is chit chat because I want to start you off. want to start you off. What is it? How to squeeze? Okay. Hi, Saran. DD, all right? If you register, you can get 3 video later on, okay? And Naragamon as well, Nina, okay? If you opt in, I will send 3 video training how squeeze the cash out from the email marketing like a toothpaste, all right? Okay, shall we start? Okay, in this whole world, all right, of network marketing, we are the interruption era. Okay, hi Anat. Oh, nice to be here. It's hot here in UK now, Anat, but probably less than in Bombay or Mumbai. All right, it's hot here. It's really hot. Ha ha ha! I have to do that like normally you do with your handkerchief. All right. First thing, okay, the interruption or suggestion. In this era of interruption, you can see that Facebook is interrupt here, interrupt there, okay? Message to you, notification to you every almost 5 seconds. Okay, we use this way, okay, when we send email to people. Yeah, we interrupt people like them our client. We don't know how they're gonna feel. They might have a good day, they just get promotion, or they just have a round with their girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever. Okay, we have to snap them out, switch. Okay, like people who depression, when you switch, okay, turn the music on, hey yeah, and then you will feel, whoo, yeah, I want to be here instead of be sad or watching listen to the music. I can't live without you. Not like that. Let me check the sound. I hope you guys hear me well, yeah? Let me check the sound. Ooh. Can you guys hear me? I'm sorry if you can't hear me at the beginning. Somebody, could you put in the chat box that you can hear me? Okay? Hey. I don't know because my phone is switched off. Switch the noise off. All right. Okay. I hope you guys hear me. Okay. What else? Okay. I hope that we have something in common because you're here on my page. Ooh, I'm hot. It means that you probably like something the same as me. Like you love your family. Okay. You love your family, you like to be recognized, you want to be a remember. Okay, if you watch a movie called the Witch, the Witch and the Wizard, not that one, oh, the wizard name, the Witch, the Wizard called what his name, the Wizard in Merlin told that if you want to destroy this witch, you just forget about her and then she not exists. Okay, I hope you guys have the same love of your family, the same as me. You guys love to be remembered. You guys love to be recognized in some other way, like Mozart win the contest and things like that. It's fun to be recognized, all right? In the deep down, the basic instinct of human being, just like that, okay? At least when I suggest like that, okay? When you send email, they have five steps, right? Suggestion, you suggest like that. You suggest that we have 3, 4, 5 things in common together. And then you suggest your idea to the audience, okay? To your friend. You suggest the idea, oh, Sopit 6 months ago can't dance, now I can. 6 months ago I have a right shoulder frozen, okay? It's hard for me to exercise. It's not excuse to exercise, but when I exercise it hurt, okay? And my joint, my knee, it have a flare up sometime, yeah? And then now it's better. I didn't feel anything. Maybe the weather hotter, maybe. That's why it's no pain in the joint or whatever. Yeah, which is good. It means today I dancing for half an hour. Okay, I pump, okay. I shimmer, and I feel great. All right, and now just reduce down the food that I eat. Okay, when I reduce down the food that I eat, that it definitely will reduce down big stomach, okay, and I can do sit up 10, yeah, without pain. Before I can't get up because the pain when I sit up, the pain from my neck to the shoulder is too painful to move. And now moving with nice music, yeah, that is fun. All right, okay, number 2, after you suggest, okay, I suggest give example, yeah, I suggest that I gonna lose weight because I feel better now from 6 months ago. All right, whoo. And then I introduce a product, yeah, that will help you guys and myself lose some weight or something like that. And it hook the customer, the friend who read this email. All right. And then the second is crucial connection. When you talk in email, you have to go to the level of the audience. Okay. It like you can't talk from the ivory tower. I have car, I have house, I have Lamborghini. You can't talk like that. People hate you or even jealous of you. You have to come down, yeah, to the level of the customer. For example, what you struggling with, yeah, what we struggling with, yeah. I sometimes struggling with money. I find that the money come in is less than the money coming out. All right, and I feel, oh, I need to find some more money. That's why I do this, squeezing money out of the email. All right, okay, and then we go to that struggling. Okay, or sometimes we're struggling with have around with our partner, husband. Okay, and we understand each other in that point. Okay, we love each other, but sometimes in the family we have different idea, we have different beliefs, so we have to let them be. And just if you're too hot, you have to walk away and then come back or something like that. Okay, or time. Some people work 9 to 5 and then juggling with a family of 6 children. Okay, with grandma, grandpa on top, and with 8 people in the house, and in a 2-bedroom house, and everybody scream their head off or something like that. My family used to be like that in Thailand, okay? And my mom loved big extensive family, right? And she loved big party in the house. And I like to be quiet. Okay, share something like that. How we struggling with the money, how we struggling with the time, how we struggling with relationship or career or the job that we do online business. Like when I do business online, I feel lonely. When I talk to Mozart, I said I feel better. I talk to a friend in San, I feel better. I talk to Amber. I talk to Kachana, Sai, or anybody else. Okay, I talk to Julian Gearing. Okay, and I feel better. That's called crucial connection. You have to connect with people. Okay, if you guys said I don't want to connect with anybody, you'll be in the wrong business. Okay, you have to connect with people. Yeah, that's the key. That is how you connect with them. Share struggling. You are struggling with them. All right, I share how my joint pain with them. I share my guts with them. Guts picture. All right, or something like that. It's fun. And I share my pain of my joint pain when the cow attack. All right, and things like that. It's more fun, and then lots of people comment. All right. Okay, number 3, the problem. Okay, when you have a weight problem. Okay, 6 months ago, I want to lose weight, but I can't because it's pain everywhere I go. Okay, when I walk, I talk, pain. Go to toilet is the pain. Okay, even change my clothes is pain. All right. So when you share the pain, people connect with you. Yeah. All right. And number 4, if you have a problem, you need a bigger wisdom to solve the problem. Okay, number 4, the bigger key to the problem. You need a bigger key. you need a bigger wisdom. It means you have to learn. Yeah, learning. Be a student all the time. You learn all the time. I get the buzzing feeling from learning. And how I'm doing, guy? Yeah, how I'm doing? Toothpaste, yes. Moses, how I'm doing? Everybody hear me, yeah? Good that you hear me. All right. Okay. And then last but not least is grand offer. Okay, you have to list what offer you have, like the beginning offer, and you have bonus, and then you have scarcity. Okay, all those things. All right, guys. Anybody have question? Okay. Anybody want to be on the camera? Ask me question. I can press, and you can join in. Hi, Kodoro, coming. Okay, guys. 5 ways to squeeze cash out of email like a toothpaste. All right. And anyone have a question? All right. Before I go, if you opt in. Yeah, on the in the link that I leave in the comment, you can cap 3 video training, free video training from me, okay, about how to squeeze the money out of the email. I will share screen on that video with you guys, okay? It's going to be a small video of each one, and it will help you start your email marketing. Okay, I want to help you guys. I want to help Kodoro to go to the next level, okay? And I want to help Isarawan Janshat, okay, to go to the next level. Yeah, Isarawan, you can use email to answer your customer who may be a tax customer, okay, people who use your tax service, okay, and better you connect with the customer better, okay. You have to go to their level. You have to go to the struggling, okay? If you help them with the tax purpose, okay? Or Venus Love, I don't know where you watch it from, Venus, okay? You can put where you watch it from. So next time I know where you watch it from. Prayong Kopas is probably husband. Prayong Kopas have any question? And not have any question that can use in your business or not? Or Sarah, needy, have any question, darling? Okay, Nina can use these. You can send offer to customer if you have customer email. All right, I just try to help people to use email marketing. Okay, thinking about this email marketing. If you you copy other people thing, yeah, and send it off, your delivery rate will go downhill, okay, until you can't send anymore. You become a spammer. Don't do that, because your email marketing will die. The best way to help your business is to connect, real connection, okay, not just connect. It means if you this one could be review next training, okay. After these 3 videos, I'm gonna teach people how to do email marketing. And I charge $47 per month, okay? $47 per month, and I will gear up this email marketing for whatever business you are, okay? Hi Jennifer, have any question? Mossad, have any question about toothpaste and toothbrush? Use motor or the hand? Which one? All right, guys. If you don't have any question, I will go. All right, guys. Any question at all? Ha ha ha. Woo, Jelena, you are here. Wow, it's an honor, Jelena. Strausuka used to be my mentor. All right. She's on watching. All right, guys.